In this support video, we will be replacing the element burner on the 6012 and 6022 models. Disconnect the power source from the unit. From the back of the unit, remove the screws holding the cooktop. Also unscrew and remove the two brackets. With a little pressure, remove the cooktop. To remove the heating element, disconnect all the wires. Mark your wires for reinstallation. Remove the holding screws around the element. Remove the heating element. With your new heating element, place into position and screw in about halfway. Connect the wires to the new element. Place back the cooktop. This completes the installation.